Respected CM Punjab, I, and including all these students, are standing before you today as a proud recipient of laptop. Madam, I salute you. I salute your dedication. I salute your hard work. I salute your innovation for giving me laptop initiative. I am grateful to be standing here in front of respected CM Punjab. Pakistan Zindabad! Punjab Hamara Zindabad! Honorable and respected Chief Minister Maryam Nawaz Sharif, distinguished guests, and my dear fellow students, Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Nadia Anwar, standing in front of you, studying radiology and imaging technology from Government College University, Faisalabad. Alhamdulillah, all praise due to Allah Almighty for blessing me with this incredible initiative. I am grateful to be standing here in front of respected CM Punjab to receive this laptop. Respected CM Punjab, my father passed away when I was in 4th class. He was my motivation, my guiding light, my right hand. My mother is a housewife. She ensures that her children are educated and well-mannered. We are 4 sisters and 1 brother. All are studying. In that difficult time, no one can help me. No one put their hand on my head. Only there was my brother who gave me advice. He had nothing to give me. He only gave me advice. He said, Nadia, you can do it. At that difficult time, I never lose hope. I try again and again. Dear audience, it is a great honor and pleasure to express my heartfelt gratitude to our respected CM, Motherly CM Punjab, Maryam Nawaz Sharif, for this incredible initiative. This laptop will not only aid us in our academic pursuits, but also it opens the door to the new progress, new frosting growth. Respected CM Punjab, I, and including all these students, are standing before you today as a proud recipient of laptop. Madam, I salute you. I salute your dedication. I salute your hard work. I salute your innovation for giving me laptop initiative. At the end, I want to thank to my Allah Almighty for blessing me with this incredible initiative. I want to thank to CM Punjab for giving me this incredible initiative, for believing in us, for believing in our future. I also want to thank to my parents to give me motivation. And at last, I want to dedicate this prize, this achievement, this gift to my brother, to my sisters, to my loving bro, to my mother, to my father. अबू और अम्मी ये आपके लिए था. आप लोगों की मेहनत की वजह से मुझे ये मिला है. Thank you very much. At the end, I want to raise a slogan. Pakistan Zindabad! Punjab Hamara Zindabad! Thank you very much.